Is Georgian hard to learn? The short answer to this question is yes. But on the US website state.gov, Georgian is in the third category in terms of difficulty to learn for a native English speaker. In the first category, you find French and Italian. In the fourth category, you have Arabic, Chinese, Japanese. If you want to learn Georgian, you don't want to visit the Wikipedia page, Georgian grammar. It has many words you've never heard of and it could really discourage you. However, Georgian has many features that are helpful for a learner, both in terms of phonetic and grammar. Let's dive in. Georgian has only 5 vowels and 33 phonemes. It is not much compared to some other languages. There is almost no diphthong in Georgian. The word chai for tea is an exception. Georgian is pronounced exactly as it is spelled, while French or English have many silent letters or even letters with a different sound depending on the word. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Done? Thank you. Georgian has no articles, no
le, la, les, un, une, des,
no
der, die, das.
Nouns don't have a gender. There is no such things like giving a gender to a noun like in German or French.
Hello, monsieur. No. No, it does not work. It does not work.
French, you are embarrassing yourself. Please stop.
Bonjour, madame.
French, this is ridiculous.
This will be of the female persuasion. La part.
The word order is flexible. All these sentences are correct.
Es aris banani. Banani aris es. Arisi banania. Es banani aris. Banani es aris. Aris banani est.
The same sentence can be affirmative or interrogative. The only difference is on the tone.
Es ce mi velocipedia. Es ce mi velocipedia.
Georgian sentences are often shorter. Let us translate.
Qu'est-ce que c'est que cette chose-là?
10 words in French, only 3 in Georgian.
Ra aris es.
Other example, this is mine, 4 words in French, 3 words in English and only 1 in Georgian.
Ce mia.
Finally, there are many transparent, borrowed words. You can find a list of more than 100 transparent words in this course, which is perfect for beginners. Click on the link in description. We really hope that this video has motivated you to start learning Georgian today. This is true that Georgian is a hard language, but not that much at the beginning. You'll need to put in some efforts, but the reward will be priceless. Start now by watching this video with tips to learn the alphabet. Good luck!